Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday tech and finance topics in a simple, straightforward way. Today, we're tackling how to get a new debit card in HDFC Bank for 2025. Whether your old card is worn out, lost, or you're just upgrading, HDFC makes it easier than ever with their digital-first approach. Let's dive right in. First things first, why get a new debit card? In 2025, HDFC cards come with enhanced security features like biometric authentication and contactless payments, making your transactions safer and faster. To start, ensure you're an existing HDFC customer with a valid savings or current account. If you're new, you'll need to open an account first. Head to the HDFC website or app to begin. Step 1. Log into your HDFC net banking portal or mobile app using your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Cards section, usually found under Services or Accounts. Look for the option that says Request New Debit Card. It's that simple. Next, fill out the required details. You'll need to provide your personal information, like your full name, address, and the reason for the request. HDFC might ask for additional verification, such as a one-time password, OTP, sent to your registered mobile number. For 2025, expect a smoother process with AI-powered chatbots to guide you through any questions. After submission, HDFC will review your request, which typically takes 3 to 5 business days. Once approved, you can choose to have the card delivered to your home or pick it up from a nearby branch. Don't forget to activate it upon receipt through the app or ATM for full functionality. Finally, a few pro tips. Always keep your contact details updated for smooth communication, and monitor your account for any unauthorized transactions. Getting a new debit card is a quick way to stay ahead in the digital age. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more finance hacks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.